Elementary elements. Welcome to Learning Cursive. Today we'll be teaching the letter A. Capital A. You'll begin at the top right side of the letter. Bring your pencil down to the left, making a soft curve. Continue the curve around the bottom and then draw a straight diagonal line upward until you reach the point where you started, closing the letter. Next, trace over the straight diagonal line downward and add a hook at the bottom. The hook is where you'll connect to the next letter. The lowercase a is exactly the same as the uppercase, only smaller. Begin at the top right, curve down to the left, around the bottom, diagonally to the top, back down to the bottom, and add the hook. Cursive takes practice, so download our free printable cursive worksheets. Check out more cursive videos on the Elementary Elements YouTube channel.
This has been an Elementary Elements presentation.